Peace. So I want to talk about astrology and trading. So let's start over here when we had a new moon in Capricorn, and that happened on the second. And when we had that new moon, you can see how price reacted. It came into this space, blew out that space, tapped back into that space, and then dropped even much further. And then today we have the moon also in void. And while the moon is in void, I'm expecting this to rise up to a level. And the reason why I expect it to rise up on the level is because I'm dealing with the euro, USD. And so if I was to go look at just the USD, which this is basically the dollar, I'm expecting the dollar to drop and come into this space, or at least come into this space here. So the other here, up here, or further down, or blew this and come even further down. So that should mean that the euro is going to be rising, and so then I expect the euro to go up. So a lot of trading, you have a lot of fundamentals that you're dealing with. You're dealing with past history, looking at what it did on this side to see what it's going to do on this side. But in astrology, we also deal with the principle of polarity. We do look at what's happened in the past to see what is going to happen in the future. I think that's just in life in general, we do deal with that. So that's one aspect of trading, including the current news that is happening. So although the moon is in void, there is news. There's USA news, and that affected price. And yeah, you can see price is just is acting. So it's, everything is intentional. All these one candles equal emotions, one person emotion, or a set of a group emotion, institution, a bank. So yeah, trading is so beautiful, and I just wanted to make that connection. So for any of my traders out there, I would suggest that you start using astrology as well as another sense of confluence for your birth chart. You can even just simply put it as they have you see here, this is an indicator. So if all my indicators are off, but if I was to show this one, you can see that this indicator now tells me that there was a new moon, right? Hold on. See, it says indicator off, don't see it. Indicator on, see it. This is a new moon, full moon, new moon indicator. It's really, really, really great. It's a great start. I would suggest people get it on your chart. It's called MP. Let me go into the settings and show you this is what it looks like on the settings. I just have it on I don't want to have I don't deal with these two, so I don't have to have them on, but you can have them on. I'll let you know. And if you have it on, for example, click, and they will just kind of give you the zone of the energy, but I don't really care to deal with it that way. So for me, that is not for me, but for you guys, maybe it is for you. So definitely check it out. But yeah, I love how price is reacting. I don't know what price is going to do, but I'm looking at the past, and I'm using that as a guidance, and I'm also looking at the now and using that as a guidance. So yeah, let's see how this turns out to be. This year I look forward to continue to be a profitable trader, and I manifest that I'm a 7-figure trader. A J, abundance, and wealth. I am just calling you out. Peace, and thank you guys for tapping into this video.